Hi everybody, it's me Aidan, and welcome back to my cooking show, my little chefs. Today we're going to be making beef bird spread. The ingredients that we're going to be using are Impossible ground beef, a loaf of pre-cut bread, Italian seasoning, black pepper, turmeric, oil, salt, and 3 cups of water, which are super heavy. The things that we're going to be using are a big spoon, a cutting board, a big bowl to mix everything together, in a pan. Guys, the first step is to get the bowl, get the bread, leave 2 pieces extra, leave 2 extra pieces, because we need the 2 extra pieces for later. Then you're going to take the rest, dump it in. Then you want to get your 3 cups of water, pour it in. A little by little. You will have 2 cups left, so you only need 1 cup of water in the beginning to start it. I'm mixing up the bread so it can become a paste, and it becomes this. We need a little more water because we need it thicker. By adding more water, make it thicker and more creamy. Look at that. Now it's more creamy. Now, grab our turmeric, put a couple shakes. Bro, come on! Why can't I open this? I'm just going to start with a different one. That's just making me aggravated. Open up the big portion with your Italian seasoning. Pour it in. Put a lot. Don't worry, it isn't too much. Put black pepper. A couple shakes. Salt. Put in your salt. Oil. Bang. You want to put a lot until all the seasonings are covered. Turmeric, you better open. Yeah! It opened. This is for the color. Now, you want to mix it up again. Bro, you see? Guys, you see how it's yellow? Should I do it with the spoon, guys? Yeah. Now, guys, you want to open up our meat. 1 packet of the ground beef. But you'll need a Caesar. Throw it in the bucket. Now, break the frickin' thing up. Oh gosh. Now we need some more water. More meat. News alert. More meat. And look at all that meat. Yeah, punch it. more water. That's why I told you guys to use 3 cups, because you need a lot of water on the way. Guys, look at the water. It's so satisfying. Oh, it's super thick and rich. Oh, guys, I think now it's gotta be time to oil up the pan. And guys, now we're gonna bring the pan over and bring the bowl with our mixture. Turn on the pan to high heat, and while you're waiting for it to heat up, start mixing. And look at that! Well, while you're waiting, now it's time to toast the bread. Toast it how you like it, and let it be to pop. Now you want to pour in all of your meat. Guys, you hear that? Guys, you're looking for the no more red pieces. You want them to be gray. That means it's cooked. A toast popped. Uh-oh. Good. Now, guys, we want to put it on our cutting board to be ready. And guys, it's starting to cook. I smell it. Guys, you just want to mix it up by bringing it back and forth like that. Guys, I think it's done. Wow. Guys, now we're going to put the beef bread spread on the toast. Or I should say, on the bread. Perfect. Now we want to bring it over here and go back for the second one. Scoop it up. I'll bring this one over. Now, guys, you want to put some black pepper on top. And we're done. Guys, we made beef bread spread. Look, it's time to try. So good. Guys, please subscribe. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Bye.